What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new YouTube video. So I almost spent like 40 bucks getting a front license plate mount because I wanted this like Japanese license plate because I thought that would be cool, right? I look in my trunk for the first time since like I bought the car. Even though I put stuff in there all the time, I actually cleaned out my trunk, and that's exactly what I found. It was the thing I almost spent a lot of money on. So I figured, why not make a video of me mounting it? And in said video, I put the license plate on that I wanted to get. I just feel like, you know. Oh, I just dropped the screws. Oh, I just dropped it farther under my bed. You know, I just feel like, why not? So let's go put this bad boy on. I don't even know how to do this. Because this picture is not what my car looks like. Figure it out. So we got everything we need. We just have license plate mount. Got the two long I don't even know what it said on there. We got the screwdriver that fits it. I'm ordering the license plate. Here we go on the nasty ground. I actually might need to move the camera so you guys, so I'm not sitting in your way. I just love how the eyelids turned out on the headlights. That looks so good. And there's a lot of bugs over there. You can see them in the sunlight. All right, so let's figure this out. So here's the dimples, I think. Yep. I would be back. I need to get the instructions. All right. It sprinted. I don't even know if I'm in the camera. Hope so. So, why does it look like it's supposed to go down here? What was it grabbing? Or is that just universal? What? That's the holes for the license plate. This is the holes for right there. But I don't understand. Because it looks like this is supposed to. Yeah, so this goes here and here. Oh, I think I got it. Let me make sure. Nah, I'm just gonna trust it. I'm just gonna trust the system. I just had to put a little more pressure to it. You know, with the car. I didn't want it to break. Alright, so now it's time for the other one, I guess. Cool. Frick. This one sucked. Alright, so I just got it screwed on with my footprint still intact. Finally got it to go through. Yeah, I mean, it's on there. It's not going anywhere unless the bumper goes anywhere. So let's get this license plate custom ordered and sent here so we can get it on. As you can see here, it still says Camry. I don't like that. I want to take it off. I kind of like it, but you know, Derek, he made a good point, you know? It would look a lot cleaner without it. So I'm gonna take it off. We're gonna pull the car into the garage. We're gonna use the heat gun. It's hanging up over here. We use the fishing line. And then we're gonna use the goo gun to clean it up. Don't say shit about me wearing the same clothes. I decided to make it two separate videos, but yes, I recorded on the same day technically. But this one might actually come out before the last one that you might have seen when it came out because the license plate isn't here yet. I don't know. Maybe you should disregard all of that. Car backed up in here. Got a heat gun right here. We're about to plug it up. Gonna heat this bad boy up right here. Gonna take the fishing line. And we're just gonna pop off Camry. Alright? And then we're gonna use Goo Gone, not sponsored, please sponsor, to get all the sticky goop off. And then from there, probably hit it with a little cleaner, just so it doesn't leave any mess. This mango drink from Taco Bell Boston is the best thing ever, but it's seasonal, so sadly it will leave at some point. I need skizzers. No, I don't. Just use it like this. Flip, that hurt. That was so hot. Okay, yeah, I'm trying to tell Derek. They're like actually mounted in. Oh, man. I think I just messed up the paint a little bit too. Dang. Alright, whatever. I guess I gotta keep going, don't I? I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. The amount of effort I just had to put into this just to find out that it has holes. I mean, definitely would look cleaner. It would look nicer without saying anything on the back. Now I'm gonna have to either figure out a way to fill these holes, which shouldn't be hard. Can honestly just get like a little bit of molding clay for a car that's like what people make body kits out of. And just fill the holes and then paint them. Or just leave it like this, suck it up. I have an idea for the letters. I do have an idea for that. I'll tell you guys in a second. But eventually I'm ordering a new trunk bar anyways. Hopefully in either black, a light bar, black with the light up Camry letters. That would be sick too. But as of right now, this is that. And I'm sorry I didn't show you guys me slaving away trying to get this off. Like, look, chipped the paint a little bit, heated the paint a little bit. Like, it's all kinds of messed up, but it's whatever. I'm just gonna deal with it. And I'm gonna put this in the license plate video because I barely showed anything, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of a video that this was. We only accomplished one thing, really. I mean, I accomplished my goal. It's just ugly, so we'll figure it out. See you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.